Even in Lagos market now, they have ring bell in some places that if you don't bring your NIN and PVC, you will get problem. That is what is happening.
In Lagos market, they are ring bell that if you don't bring your PVC, who is asking for that you have problems? Who?
So kita na ihe na-akpọrọ kita na asị ndị Lagos State nọ n'ime ahịa Lagos State because ma last year na ọkụ gbachara ime ahịa Lagos State mekwa ọzọ mee ọzọ. And another thing mma agwa unu that na 90% of ọkụ na-agba na Lagos mmadụ na-amaghị ọkụ. Nje na-agwa unu ihe ọ bụ na 90% of ọkụ na-agba na is humanly engineered. Ọnwekwa onye mkpọrọ afa mana sị m no humanly engineered. Akwa December ka ọkụ gba dalụ almost half of the market gbaliko. Ọzọ ka na-akwado ime. Na-agwa unu ihe that is gịnị. Once in Nigeria, you need too much analysis for ụmụaka Nigeria say on food. Nigeria in food every day, so it's something you can easily predict. Ọzọ ka na-abịa and it's a game ha na-akụ akụ. So now, gezianti ka unu no ka ha si request ọkwa 2027 ka a na-achọ ịtụ election no, mana ha request we go for NIN and PVC ndị mmadụ na that market ahụ. Na ọ bụrụ na ị nwetara ya na emechie shop gị. That so they are trying to to be ahead of time before time. We have an exclusive call from Rufai Oseni of Arise Television. And then this don't worry, I have you people covered. Feel relaxed. Welcome to this channel. Kodekwan.
Even in Lagos market now, they have ring bell in some places that if you don't bring your NIN and PVC, you will get problem. That is what is happening.
In Lagos market, they are ring bell that if you don't bring your PVC, who is asking for that you have problems? Who? It will be on record that we spoke about this thing 1 year in advance. And for you too, that you are collecting money from these people, you claim you love God. You go to church, you go to mosques, but you are collecting money to do evil, to sell your conscience. Is that what your way of life taught you? That's not what God taught all of us. Hello.
Okay, Rufai, good morning.
Great to have you.
Great to have you. This is William calling from Oshodi.
Great to have you, my brother.
Yes. I've witnessed this a lot in my area, especially in Oshodi. And if you permit me to, I can mention the party that is doing this more.
Mention the party that is doing it.
The APC.
APC is doing it.
Yes. They approached me and I told them I don't have a voter's card. That was just what I told them to keep them off. But people, they will just come in the name of, we want to register you to become a member of our party. We need your NIN, we need your, okay, give us your voter's card, that VIN number. And they will copy it on a white form and they will take it off. That is just it. It's happening. I've witnessed it because I'm a marketer. I do work around my community. And I've seen a lot. Have
you seen other political parties do it? If you've seen other, can you mention them too?
I've not seen others, but this is the one that I have witnessed. This is what I have witnessed. Personally.
So they ask for your voter's card, they ask for your VIN number and your voter's card.
On your voter's card and your NIN. In the guys that they want to, okay, they are looking for party members to register, so they will collect those details.
Okay. Did they offer to give you money after they asked you for the details?
Because I've been aware of it, I've been seeing it. When I went to another location to market.
Please do well to call us back. It's a show this morning, 0907 651 1008. We're trying to save our country. And please, we are doing what is right. And please, we are also using this to call on INEC as a civil responsibility for our society. Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, what's your name? Yeah.
My name is Chil. I'm calling from Lagos.
Yes.
This thing they are saying is true. Even in Lagos market now, they have ring bell in some places that if you don't bring your NIN and PVC, you will get problem. That is what is happening. In
Lagos market, they are ring bell that if you don't bring your PVC, who is asking for that you have problems? Who?
Yeah.
Who is asking for that?
It's the authority, people who rules the market now.
So they are using people from the market to intimidate people and ask for their PVC that if they don't bring it.
Yes, yeah. They give at least they give 5 days automatic.
Okay. Please keep us posted as regards that. Ladipo market, we are calling you out. Why would you be asking people for their PVC?
And the thing is happening also in Igbo local government.
Igbo local government too.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Morning, what's your name? Where are you calling from, ma?
I am Bumi calling from Mushin.
Please tell me, is this happening in your area in Mushin?
What happened in my area is that they brought free jam form and they will ask the students to either submit their PVC or their parents' phone to collect the jam.
So they brought free jam form and they asked the students that for their PVC or their parents' own to collect the free jam form.
Yes.
Madam, why will society be this wicked? How much is jam form?
Don't know.
How much is jam form that they are using it to collect PVC and destroy the future of people? Which people are doing this thing, madam?
We know that now. There's somebody representing the constituency there.
Of which party?
APC.
So it's jam that they are using. So jam form of 7,000 naira.
Yes.
Somebody is telling me. So it's one of 7,000 naira. So because people can't afford 7,000 naira, they are telling them that they should bring their PVC and they give them jam form. What kind of life is this now? Thank you. I hope INEC is listening to all of this. So is this how to win elections? Manipulating people because they don't have money. The same people that you have made their lives poorer because they don't have money. We're manipulating them. We're destroying their lives. We are giving them jam form. We are collecting their PVC. We are collecting PVC, giving people. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Great to have you.
Hello.
I can hear you.
Yeah, I'm hearing you. Hello, are you hearing me?
Yes, I can hear you. What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Peter.
Peter, where are you calling from?
Yeah, I'm calling you in respect of what I got.
Oh yeah, tell me, is it happening in your area, Peter?
Yeah, people are collecting money from people are collecting money to get their PVC.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to ask you a question. Are you a politician or you are a newscaster?
You're asking me, am I a politician or a newscaster?
Yeah. Or go and take your job and don't see people. Nobody's collecting. Don't take your, if you want us to talk, put a TV station, I will take you. You are deceiving people.
Who is deceiving who? Who is deceiving who? Because people are talking about things happening in society.
You are the one. What you are saying, you are wrong.
How is it wrong? Is it happening in your area? Is it happening in your area? Or God, you can see the liars now. You can see the liars. I mean, go. Is it happening in your area? Answer yes or no. Are you a politician or not? You can see because they feel offended because their secrets are coming out. So they will call and talk. They feel you can see them lying. Can over 10 people be wrong that have called?
Good morning.
When I ask him where he's calling from, he can't talk. Maga, how are you? What's your name?
My name is I want to remain anonymous. Good morning, Rufai.
Morning. You can see the last caller that called to try to say it's a lie that they're not collecting people's PVC.
It's not a lie, Rufai. I'm a member. And you see, I'm also a member of that party. Do you understand?
Yeah.
And in life, it's either you're here or you are there.
Yeah.
Do you understand? But what they are doing is very, very wrong. Totally wrong. If you perform, you don't need to campaign. Because your work will speak for you. So
are you saying you are a member of which party now?
APC. I'm a member of APC.
And you are saying APC is actually collecting people's PVC for money?
Even my own, I did not even drop it because if you perform, my own philosophy is when you perform, you don't need to campaign. People will see physical evidences of what you have done. Do you understand? You don't need to tell them because when you do the things right, people will work for you, even without campaigning for them. Do you understand? When it gets to election period, they start giving 2 cups of rice, of the liquor of rice. They will be, and I don't know how people are so gullible. You know?
No, because obviously there's poverty. I want to ask you, which area, you say you're a member of APC, that you see them giving PVC, giving money to collect PVC. In which area did it happen?
Ajawa State.
In Ajawa State.
Yes.
How much were they giving to people to collect their PVC?
Well, you know, they just said it's not that they give, you know, they don't give cash per se because it will expose them the more. But what they do is they promise that they are sending some money with your account details into your private account, that before they, you know, this kind of sweet talk. So people will just believe that by the time election starts, there are some people they give them on, which is their leaders, you know, to carry out this thing. Those ones are the ones that will now come up with all kinds of tactics, you know, to lure people into releasing their, what's it called, their PVC, collect their VIN, and know what does it mean. Once you drop these details, they can hack into the system and impute all these things. It counts for them, you know.
Wow, that's a sad one.
You know.
Thank you for your honesty. We'll keep speaking about these things. Thank you for your honesty.
No problem, Rufai.
It's sad. We can't build a country this way. Elections should be fair. You see, if you are there to serve people, you go there, you do your best. If people say they don't want you, you gladly walk on. That's the thing about life. It's not supposed to be a do or die affair. For all of this we are hearing, I just wonder what is going on. Anyway, we have excerpt from the debate program that the Oseni Center held in Odogbulu yesterday. Of course, we are going to be playing that too very soon. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Great to have you. What's your name?
My name is Solomon from Kato.
Morning, yeah.
Yeah. I've read about the chair, but I've not seen it in my area.
You've not seen it
My
in your area?
area
Where's your area?
it's happening at the sheriff.
What?
I heard that it's happening at the sheriff.
You heard it as happening in Sherry, but you've not seen it with your eyes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your own evidence. Really, I appreciate you. You've not seen it happen in your area. All right. 0907 651 1008. You see, when we shine the light of evil, people get scared. It's on record that we've shone the lights, and people are getting scared today. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
What's your name? Hello? Okay. 0907 651 1008. 0907 651 1008. We heard that people are told to bring their PVCs or submit their VIN numbers to be able to get monetary favors. And that's what we are talking about today. And I'm talking about it because it's exactly 1 year to election.